Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make business account on Instagram. So at first open your Instagram and click on to profile, click on three line, scroll down and you can easily create new business page, or if you want to convert this profile to business. Okay, click on account type and tools to switch to professional account. Continue, press on to done, and then showing it to creator or business, you must be select business and press on to next. Okay, add your business email address, phone number, or don't use right now. Okay, and now check, now successfully create Instagram business account, showing it to professional dashboard. So that's it, that's how you can do it.